How to solve 6 power of a minus 1 is equal to 600. Find the value of a. So first of all, we apply this exponential rule that k power of m minus n is equal to k power m over k power n. So it will be 6 power a over 6 power 1 is equal to 600. Next step, we have 6 power a over 6 power 1 is same as 6 is equal to 600. Now we multiply by 6 in both sides. So multiply by 6, multiply by 6. This will be cancelled out. Now we apply log in both sides. So log of 6 power a is equal to log of 600 times 6. Now here we apply rule that log s power r is equal to r log s. This power r move to the base. This power a will move to the base. So it will be a log 6 is equal to log of 600 times 6. We apply this formula, log of m times n is equal to log m plus log n. So it will be log 600 plus log 6. Now we need the value of a. So we have to divide it by log 6 in both sides. This log 6 will be cancelled out. Here a is equal to this part over log 6 plus this part over log 6. So log 6 is same as log of this log 600. Log 600 is same as log of 6 times 100. Log 600 is same as log of 6 times 100 over log 6 plus log 6 over log 6. This log 6 will be cancelled out. Here 1. Now a will be equal to log of 6 times 100 is same as log 6 plus log 100 over log 6 plus 1. Next step, a is equal to log 6 over log 6 plus log 100 is same as log of 4 times 25 over log 6 plus 1. This cancel out. Here on a will be equal to 1 plus 1 is same as 2 plus log of 4 times 25 is same as log 4 plus log 25 over log 6. Next step, a is equal to 2 plus log 4 is same as 2 log 2. So 2 log 2 over log 6, so it will be 2 log 2 by 6 plus log 25 is same as 2 log 5. So 2 log 5 over log 6, so it will be 2 log 5 by 6. This is the value of a. So this is our final answer.